Chris with the drama vibe.
Batia, 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 batia. Say a batia, 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 batia.
I like a simple style. Na macho kaumemeza kungu. And the dimples when you smile. Vinamanipa chikerungu. Ila ficha mbali kitumbua. Wasijeweka michanga. Tena wakaanza kukusumbua. Kesho ukawadanga. If you never see you no go sleep oh. I swear to God your body nice. Napenda nikone kila siku. Asubuhi mchana mpaka night.
Welcome back to Skytrade Aviation, your trusted source for everything aviation. Today, we're diving into a hot topic that's been making headlines in Kenya, the recent use of a Boeing 737-700 by the president for an official visit to the United States. The Boeing 737-700, a member of the renowned 737 family, is a versatile and reliable aircraft. But is it worth the cost? Let's explore this aircraft in detail and find out. The 737-700 can accommodate between 126 and 149 passengers, depending on the seating configuration. It boasts modern amenities, comfortable seating, and advanced in-flight entertainment systems, making it a popular choice for both commercial and official use. This aircraft can fly up to 6,370 kilometers non-stop, with a flight time of approximately 7 to 8 hours, making it ideal for medium-haul flights like the one from Kenya to the United States. The Boeing 737-700 requires a crew of 2 pilots, equipped with the latest avionics and safety features to ensure a smooth and safe journey. Maintenance is a crucial aspect of operating any aircraft. The 737-700 is known for its cost-effectiveness in terms of maintenance. On average, annual maintenance can range from $1.5 million to $3 million, depending on usage and maintenance schedules. Now, let's talk numbers. Purchasing a Boeing 737-700 can cost between $89 million and $99 million. While leasing or chartering for an official trip can run into hundreds of thousands of dollars, the benefits of reliability, safety, and comfort often justify the expense. The recent trip by the President of Kenya has sparked debate over the cost. While the amount may seem substantial, it's important to consider the value of secure, efficient, and comfortable travel for high-level officials on critical diplomatic missions. The Boeing 737-700 offers unparalleled comfort and convenience, ensuring that passengers arrive at their destination well-rested and ready for their engagements. This level of service is crucial for the productivity and well-being of officials on important trips. In conclusion, while the cost of using a Boeing 737-700 may appear high, the benefits it offers in terms of safety, comfort, and efficiency can make it a worthwhile investment for essential travel. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for more insights into the world of aviation. Fly high with Skytrade Aviation.